If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipelines, just come to Bota. Bota serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including welding column, welding rotator, positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai ESSEN Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.
Welding turntables. Rotary turntables are used for precise positioning in the flat or horizontal position. High precision, cost-effective method of rotating a workpiece around a vertical axis. Welding turntables, or welding rotating tables, provide a high-precision, low-cost method of rotating a pipe, vessel, or industrial workpiece around a vertical axis. Bota floor turntables are available with variable or constant speed drives, as well as non-powered rotation. Many variations in speeds, control, table size and configuration, and overall height are available. Standard turntables are available in capacities from 250 pounds to 5,000 pounds. Larger capacities are available by special order. The base frame is constructed from heavy-duty structural steel designed for rigidity and provides protection to the gearing system. Floor turntable positioners are variable speed rotation using variable frequency inverter drives for smooth acceleration and deceleration control. Features: constant speed and variable speed models available. Smooth variable speed table rotation in forward and reverse. Standard round table equipped with 4 radial T-slots. Standard hand pendant with speed control and forward stop reverse. Benefits: consistent weld speed for high-quality welds. Whatever your welding application, Bota can supply you with the equipment best suited to your application.